Good day, everyone. We are students from the Department of Biological Sciences of the University of Santo Tomas. I'm Leona Liza Leyesa, together with my partner Marie Angelica Pilar, with the guidance of our co-authors and advisor, we present to you our paper entitled A Review of the Taxonomy, Biodiversity, and Limno-ecological Studies on Lake Taal, updates from the last 10 years.
Now, you may be wondering why we selected Lake Taal as our site. Lake Taal is a unique caldera lake that hosts a variety of endemic Philippine freshwater biodiversity. This is in part caused by the exceptional proximity of an active volcano within the lake, which drives a multitude of geologic processes. However, volcanic activity also became the major disruptor of livelihood and conservation in the area, especially during the series of recent volcanic eruptions last January 2020. With regards to this, it aims to provide an update to the original review spanning 10 years of research progress.
In order to suffice the necessities of this review paper, we gathered the common themes and significant developments in biodiversity and limnology by mining the primary published literature from scientific search engines such as the Google Scholar and Science Direct. In line with the recent studies, this section illustrates the updates on Lake Taal research. The number of published journals increased as there were a total of 35 publications from 1949 to 2009, in comparison to the 64 publications from 2011 to 2021. For the national and international limnology or biology publications, a total number of 19 international and 14 national journals were previously reported by Papa and Memorial 2011, and today there were a total of 44 international and 20 national journals from 2011 to 2021. International publication studies centralized on species-based level research, such as the inquiry on Estawilis and L. plumbeis. National journal publications led to the sustainability and conservation of Lake Taal based on Papa and Memorial 2011.
This section illustrates the timeline and centralized topics per year from 2011 to 2021. To compare with previous studies during the 1980s, research in Lake Taal shifted to monitoring the impact of ecosystem health and other biological studies with further data on physicochemical parameters, zooplankton community, fish species, hydroacoustic survey, and aquaculture were published in the succeeding years. The site has been subjected to aquaculture and illegal fish caging since the last decade. Also, recent reports on species introductions and potential biological invasions were observed. Although water quality surveys have long been a part of the lake's routine, investigations in species community structure and aquaculture stress have been more common in the recent decade.
Overall, it may be said that various calls for long-term monitoring with more routine data gathering is highly recommended. These are also expressed in multiple articles as a mean to stipulate sustainable economic practices in Lake Taal, and was made evident by the published lake models that simulate possible routes for predicting low DO occurrences, which will be valuable for sustainable cage fisheries. And with that, thank you for listening.